Most of my friends probably think that I'm dead, but the truth is that I got caught by the feds. Sad to think that's where my mind goes. For the last few years they saw me sink low. I'm not the same person I once was. I'm changing and nobody can stop me. This change is the start of my new life. Remembering the past that won't shape me. Tired of hurting the people that I love. How will they believe I'm not the person that I was? I guess it's all about earning their trust. What if they're tired of giving me love? I'm not the same person I once was. I'm changing and no one can stop me. This change is the start of my new life. Remembering the past that won't shape me. My mother grieved me before I even died. How could I keep living the same life? If not for me, then for my family. I don't know why I let my life fall apart. I thought I was living my best life. So why did I overdose so many times? I know I have a purpose that I want to fulfill. I'm not gonna keep abusing those pills. I can't wait to start living my dreams. The first step towards that is my recovery. I am so incredibly proud of myself. Thanks to the people who put me in a cell. I'm not the same person I once was. I'm changing and no one can stop me. This change is the start of my new life. Remembering the past that won't shape me. I'm not the same person I once was. I'm changing and no one can stop me. This change is the start of my new life. I've changed.